Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, only here on Talk Guy. So for today, I'm going to show you how you can appear to be offline only here on Steam. So very quickly, what you want to do is just click on Friends and Chat right here. And then here, right next to your username, click the arrow down button. And then just click Offline. And there you go. You may also click online or you may click away or just appear to be invisible. And that's it. So again, just click on friends and chat, click on this arrow down button right here, and then select offline or do not disturb, or you can also edit your profile name. Whatever you want to do, it's already there. And that's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, of course, please do hit the like and the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Talk Help Guy.